Sunod na lang.
Hindi, dapat kasama. Sabi ko lang yung sa akin. Yan dati. Yan ang dati. Gathering na lang. Tapos si Gerald Humina ng kaya nag-iwilis na.
Kasi, Jimmy High?
Mayroon kami doon, kasi pinag-isip na ako sa Forest Pit area para masyal ko doon. Ngayon, pagdating sa area na pinalis, ikot kami, bilang kasama. Kaya doon ba rin yung pag-isip? Pero ano, pinakay yung kapitan? Para sa lahat. Kapit ba rin doon? Okay. Pinakay na wave lang kami yan. Pero sa siya talaga naman sa kama. 45. Kita lang si Balincho. Wala, nung pagbuwan sa kanya, binahin ng bataan siya. Sino? Kasi ako, sasalubong ako kasi advance party kami sa bundok eh. Sinulit ko yung sa bangka. May kasama ko kami. Ito. Binahin siya.
I've never found so much love before. And once again I'm thinking about taking the easy way out. But if I let you go, I will never know what my life would be holding you close to me. Will I ever see you smiling back at me? Oh yeah. How will I know if I let you go? Tonight, I hear myself say, sa Facebook ka na bukas.
The day that you came into my life. Sige na. You asked for my name. You had the most beautiful smile. Honey, my life started to change. I'd wake up each day feeling alright. With you right by my side makes me feel things will work out just fine. We're gonna take that. But did you know I needed someone like you in my life? There's an empty space in my heart. You came at the right time in my life. I never forget how you put the sun to shine in my life. I took all the worries and fears that I had. That's what I'm really trying to say. It's not every day that someone like you comes my way. Words can express how much I love you. Hindi ko na kaya na. Hindi ka, tawa na. Hindi na kaya.
Punta ka na ng Hawaii.
Dayan ako. Hindi ko na makuha. O, si Tito naman. Anytime you feel pain, hey Jude, refrain. Don't carry the world upon your shoulders. For well you know that he's a fool who plays it cool by making his world a little colder. Don't let me down. You have found her, now go and get her. Remember to let her into your heart, then you can start to make it better. So let it out and let it in. Hey Jude, begin. You're waiting for someone to perform with. And don't you know, hey Jude, you do. The moment you leave is on your shoulder. Hey Jude.